can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna be talking about maybe like 5 to 6 items that I feel like are even worth it. I feel like I just want to go ahead and cover the items that are probably the best ones to go for. There's a lot of shit that's releasing that it's just like, what the fuck is going on? The prices are spectacular. I just want to go ahead and cover it briefly. This is gonna be a short video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Leave a like on the video if you do end up enjoying. Let's see if we could get 120 likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, and do not forget to click the post notification bells because I'm actually gonna start working on a bunch of different content for you guys. Hopefully I'm gonna start recording that shit soon. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is this mushroom head ass lamp. This is like the mushroom that Mario uses in the game to get bigger. I'm trying to tell you, this shit right here will not resell simply because retail is $298, and I don't think that the design warrants the $298 on it. So I feel like this will probably either sit or it'll sell out and it'll eventually go under retail for a little bit under. I don't think that this is an item that you should definitely go for if you're trying to make some money this week. This week is actually kind of tricky when it comes to resell, but we do have the embroidered top, and retail for this is going to be $128. I feel like resell will not be over $160 for it, and if it does resell, it'll definitely be in the black color or that bluish paint splattered color. I feel like those are the two colorways that I would even think about going for if you're trying to make any kind of profit. And mind you, retail is high as hell on these items, but that is because this is Stone Island, and if you guys know, Stone Island retails are already up the wazoo, so Supreme has to kind of follow what they do, considering that the quality is going to be Stone Island quality. They actually just added the Hanes thermal set, so the top and the bottom, to release this week. I actually think those are pretty cool, and I might go ahead and pick up the bottoms in that black color. I just feel like it's something really nice if you're trying to keep warm in the winter time. I don't know how resell will do for that because it's something a little bit different, but it might go ahead and have some resell. I don't even know what retail would be. I think that is something cool though. We do have this trickle down jacket. This shit is gonna retail for $158, which is pretty steep, bro. Like, if you're trying to make money on this shit, the person you're selling it to has to pay over $1,000 for this jacket, and I honestly don't see it happening. If this was like $500 to $600 for the jacket, I kind of understand it more, but for the price point that it's at, I honestly can't see somebody paying over $1,000 for this jacket right here. It does look fire. The branding on the back is A1, and I think it's a clean jacket overall, but for the price point, it just doesn't call my name, and I feel like a lot of people will feel the same, bro. It's kind of the prices that bring these down, but there's always those people who love Stone Island to the point where they will pay some shit like this. The balaclava is gonna retail for $198. That is a high retail price. I honestly expected like $140, $150, but the Stone Island branding on this shit is crazy. I do think that this is a banger piece, and it might have resell. Since we are on Rona time nowadays, this is something that people could actually use, so people that have money probably wouldn't even mind spending something like this on a balaclava. I kind of see why this would do good. It's glow in the dark as well, but that retail price can literally smoke a dick. I think it's a cool item, but for that price, it just like, what the $200 for that? No. They actually added the Bullion logo short sleeve. This one isn't that bad. I kind of like it in the camo colorway. It just simply says Supreme on the front. This is a short sleeve top, so the prices are going to be a little bit higher than a regular tee, probably like $68, $78, but the colors are nice. I like the rusty orange branding on that navy blue one, and then I like the camo color as well. I don't know if those will do good resale wise, but I just thought I should bring it up. We do have the corduroy jacket and the pants. The corduroy jacket is going to retail for $698, and the theme for this whole collaboration is just expensive as fuck, so I don't see myself spending $700 or even resell for this item. Some of you might, but I definitely don't. Now, the item that I feel like is the most affordable and low-key the most wearable, at least to me, is the 6-panel hat. This is the item that I'm personally going to be going for. I'm still debating on if I should spend $140 on a t-shirt, so I know for sure that I'm gonna go for this hat in that black or like that foresty green color. Those two definitely are a must. I wouldn't mind having both of these, honestly. I feel like this is a hat that I would wear, and I could see this reselling for upward of $100, $120, which is a pretty good profit margin, and you don't have to risk so much money when you're buying this item, which is another good thing. The sweater's gonna drop for $308. That's OD. I don't see this shit reselling at all. The one from last season or 2 seasons ago didn't even resell, and that shit was 50 times better than this one, so this is probably gonna be a brick. We got the pearl hooded fitted sweatshirt, and we also got the dry wax cotton camp cap. There's a possibility that the sweatshirt does okay. I honestly don't think that it'll do too well, but that burgundy or that navy color would possibly do okay in the resale market. I honestly can't see it too much, but if there are any colors that do good, it possibly would be those. Now, as far as this hat right here, a lot of people have actually been hitting me up about the hat, saying that they're interested in buying it, so that might have some like sleeper vibes to it. I just feel like I'm asleep on it, but hey, some of y'all might like this. I feel like it won't have resale, but once again, to each his own. Honestly, I would rather have the Stony hat before this one, but some of you guys might defer. So like I said before, this video is going to be on the shorter side. I'm not really talking about every item. There's going to be 2 more items I talk about, one of them being this $2,800 shearling jacket. Bro, they are in the meth labs with this shit. Like, bro, what the fuck? Who is paying $3,000 for a jacket? That's hoopty money, bro. Like, what the how is this jacket $3,000? Explain it in the comments, please, because I don't understand how. I low-key expected it to be $800. It looks like an $800 jacket. $3,000, bro. This is low-key like a tax cut. Like, this is OD. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Yo, I need a special massage if I buy this jacket. Like, I need some backdoor advantage if I buy this jacket. They're wilding with that one. They're still dropping those goggles, which I don't understand who is buying the Speedo goggles, but we do got this big ass shoulder bag, the knapsack shoulder bag. This shit is big as hell. This shit is $268, bro. Who is paying $300 for a shoulder bag? Definitely not me. It looks cool, it's clean, whatever. $300? Nah, it just doesn't make sense. I feel like this whole collab is just way overpriced, and maybe that's just my pockets talking for me. The hat and the shirt are probably the 2 more accessible items, and the 2 items that I would even debate on going on. There are some sleeper items in here like the puffy coat. It's just the retail prices that kill it for me. I honestly don't feel like I'd be spending $1,000 on this collaboration when the collab from like 2 seasons ago bricked, and it was way better than this shit right here. So honestly, that's all I had to say for this video. If you're gonna go for something, just make sure that you go for things that you feel confident in buying, like the shirt and the hat. For me, that striped hoodie, I don't think is gonna do good resale wise. The puffy coat has a chance, but if you don't have $800 to just put to the side and let it rise over time, it's not worth it. I don't think resale for these items is gonna be instant. It'll probably be one of those things where you have to hold it and see what the market does, see where it goes, all this other kind of shit. I don't think that these items will do good off the gate. If there is a couple items that does good, it's those lower priced items. The balaclava has a chance simply because of the circumstances that we're in currently. That one does have a shot. It also does say that prices aren't confirmed for this week, so these are all like guesstimates. We don't have the official prices, but these are pretty smart, educated guesses when it comes to the prices. So just beware and make sure your bank account is ready for what's to come tomorrow if you're trying to spend big racks. If you buying that shearling jacket, God bless your soul and your pockets. That's literally tax refund money, bro, on a jacket. But that's all I'm gonna say on that. If y'all enjoyed this video, 120 likes would be appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Leave me any video ideas you have in the comments, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.